Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by narrowing where a shovel is most likely to be. This saves time. First, prioritize areas used for yard work and maintenance. Once done, quickly clear access points so you can search without moving obstacles. Make sure to ask anyone who borrows tools. Verbal recall often beats searching alone. You'll also note recent projects. If the shovel was used last week, it's likely near that site. This focused approach reduces random wandering and gets you to the tool faster. You now run a methodical sweep of each zone to avoid missing hidden spots. Start high, then work down. Check shelves, hooks, and vertical racks because shovels are often hung. Once done with obvious areas, use a flashlight to reveal shadows and vertical gaps where handles hide. Make sure to move large items carefully and check beneath tarps or equipment. People stash tools in trunks or behind boxes. This step-by-step search minimizes double checks and often locates the shovel quickly. You retrieve the shovel with safe lifting and immediately evaluate condition before use. If it's not found, widen your search to neighbors, community tool sheds, or any recent rental records. Sometimes it was lent or moved. Once located or replaced, designate a permanent storage spot and record it. This prevents repeat hunts. Troubleshooting tip: if the shovel seems permanently lost, check local lost and found groups or post a concise request. Community response often recovers common tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.